Day 43. Yesterday, you added your first indicator to an algorithm. Today, you're going to learn about a tool that controls the resolution of the data your indicators receive. Most data in QuantConnect arrives bar by bar, but sometimes you do not want to react to every single minute. You want to group those minutes into something larger before your logic runs. So, what is a consolidator? A consolidator is a tool that groups incoming price bars into larger time periods, so your algorithm can work on hourly, daily, or custom length bars instead of raw minute data. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left, we have the hourly summary. On the right, the consolidator. Imagine a call center that logs every single call in real time. At the end of each hour, a manager reviews not every individual call, but a summary, total calls, average duration, issues flagged. The raw logs still exist, but decisions get made on the grouped picture, not on each individual event. The hourly summary here says, collapse the detail into a unit you can actually reason about. A consolidator works exactly the same way. It takes every incoming minute bar and groups them, which in this case is. Instead of your strategy reacting to each 1 minute price move, it waits for the consolidator to finish building a complete hourly bar and then fires your logic once on that. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of consolidator in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. A consolidator deletes the raw minute bars it receives, true or false. And the correct answer is false. A consolidator groups bars into a larger period. The underlying data is not deleted. The consolidator just changes the resolution at which your logic fires.